Using a box cutter or a utility knife, cut the outside, bottom and edge of the box along the dotted line. Lift the box over the unit and unpack the treadmill. Make sure to remove all of the styrofoam packaging and check if all the parts are accounted for. Insert the base cover to the upright post. Connect the computer cables, then attach the upright post to the main frame. Insert 4 head socket bolts and 4 split washers to the main frame. Do the same for the other side. Screw in 3 Phillips head screws to the 2 base covers by using a screwdriver. Insert the console assembly into the left and right upright posts. Connect the computer cables. Insert and tighten 4 button head socket bolts and 4 split washers on each side of the console assembly. Connect all of the computer cables onto the back of the monitor. Insert and tighten 4 sheet metal screws on the back of the console assembly. Insert 2 Phillips head screws on the back of the rear console shroud. Install the tablet holder to the back of the console by using 4 sheet metal screws. Make sure to insert the security key to the slot on the console. You're good to go. Conduct a thorough visual inspection of the treadmill and assess all its features and functions before using it. Make sure to read all warnings and instructions in the F89 Treadmill Owner's Manual before beginning to assemble the F89 treadmill. Follow all instructions as given. Soul Fitness is not responsible for damage, injury, or equipment failure caused by improper assembly or use. If the installation process appears too challenging, please call Soul at 866-780-7653 and request a technician to install the product in your home. The technician installation service is not included in the price of the product.